Going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you once again for tuning in for another fucking video. But before we get started on the video, guys, full disclaimer, anybody under the age of 18, please, this sneaker channel may not be suitable for you guys. I do smoke, cuss. I don't promote doing drugs because where I'm from, this is completely legal. What I'm taking today is, I don't fucking know what this is. Like a dab, like it's called diamond extracts. I don't fucking know. And here we fucking go. Cheers, guys. This is my little dabber. It has been a minute. Cheers. Oh my god. Wow. It's been a minute. Ooh. Alright, guys. So this is the UNC the Chicago. I'm gonna lace this up for you guys, show you guys exactly how I do this, and maybe I'll lace up mine too. First thing you gotta do is, what the fuck? Why is this? I feel like these laces are too long for this fucking size. How long this is. Okay, first of all, guys, before you guys get started, make sure both sides are fucking even. All right, don't just like start going through. Usually what I like to do is like hold it up like this and then pull them together. They're good, they're good, they're good, they're good. Loosey goosey. No real fucking trick to it, man. Just straight up. Always, guys, with every Jordan 1, they have those little flat laces. I always try to keep them all like straight. But obviously when you start wearing them, you just like fuck them, right? That's how I usually do, but I let the wearing do that. Yo, why does it feel like the laces on these new UNC to Chicago for women, they're totally different compared to the men? So this is how I do it. It's like I don't really tighten them out. Do I go through the lace hole? Do I not go through the lace hole? On the tongue? I fucking do, man. I go through the lace hole on the tongue. I have to. This is what keeps it together, alright? Don't be lazy. Oh shit, I fucked up already. Go through here first. Go through here second. And then now the lace hole. The one on the tongue. So I usually go over the fifth hole, and then I go through the little fucking tongue hole. And then the last, I usually just keep it on this. Like honestly, guys, this is why I say always go true to size. I don't buy anything that's not like my size. Especially if it's too big, I fucking pass on that. So, too small, like half a size down, I try to not to force myself to buy it. But I do have a 9.5 sometimes. Like my Air Force Ones are 9.5. Just because the lows, the highs, I fucking hate it when it's 9.5, too tight. Anyways, guys, this is how it turns out after. Nothing really, you know, nothing really crazy about it. It's just loosen up, right? And I just usually give it like a little pull, right? And then bam, that's it. That's how it looks. Loosey goosey. Alright, let me lace up my pair. Alright, so I'll show you guys exactly how I do it with a men's pair. Nothing different. You gotta make sure both of them are lengthwise the same. Then yeah, I just go through. But like I said, man, like I don't really like to, when you wear them, right, like it really depends on the size you're getting, guys. You can't just, I know a lot, maybe you can, but you're gonna be dragging your feet and shit. And that's really not what you want to do. Okay, so most of my shit, like, there's little to no heel drags. And my sneakers are size 10. If not, I don't wear them. I do have some 10.5s in there and shit if I really want to. But overall, guys, I don't like to buy anything that's not size 10. I would pay the extra money to get my fucking size. The reason why I wear it like this is because I kind of just like slide my foot in there and anytime I want. You know what I mean? Like, and then be done with it. Actually, you know what? These Fearless are starting to grow on me. Little by little, but it's still shit compared to this one. Not gonna fucking front. Don't blame me when you guys start doing this type of lacing and your shoe starts to fucking, like, you know, start to fall off and shit. And like I said, this is my way of tying them up. Loose, and I just kind of slip on because, like I said, I am a true size 10, so this fits tight on me. Like, if I lace this shit up, it's gonna be too tight for me, basically. So that's exactly how I lace them up. Nothing too fancy, guys. Loosey goosey. Bam. Right. So yeah, just like my cousin's pair. Simple. Number 8 hole. As soon as it gets down like that, it just kind of let it hang, you know? No bunny ear or anything like that. They just kind of sit there. If it fits kind of big, you might not want to be doing this. You know, like this is strictly for those people that's like, or if it's a little too tight for you, if it's like a half size down and shit, you can do this shit and it'll just like slip on. That's what I like about it. It just slips on. Hopefully you guys already know how I lace up my Jordan 1s. Anyways, it really depends on how the shoe fits on you guys, and I wouldn't recommend this if the shoe is way too big for you or half a size too big, because you're gonna be like fucking walking like a flip-flop, you know? Definitely, ladies, you missed out. Definitely you need a pair in your collection. Anyways, guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little how to lace your Jordan 1s, because all you guys keep asking me this. I don't know why, but very simple, man. It's like nothing to it, you know, like just like the men's pair. It's just loosey goosey, but like I said, guys, you gotta be wearing like true to size, or else it's gonna fit ridiculous on you. So hopefully that helped each and every one of you guys have been asking me how I lace up my Jordan 1s, and yeah, hopefully I see you guys doing the same way. Follow me on Instagram if you guys haven't already, right here. Thank you for watching. Until next time, guys. Peace.